Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have an announcement. We just restocked all of our products on MariamHampton.com. So all of your favorite hair growth products are back in stock. I made the black rice water shampoo available for pre-order because so many people, I didn't even know so many people would be interested in this product. So I made it available for pre-order so you guys can get your hands on that as well. And we have a lot of new launches as well as sales and promotions coming up this month. So be sure to subscribe to MariamHampton.com so you can be notified of all the updates, sales, promotions, launches, you name it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to be getting a treatment done, and I'm so excited because I actually partnered with Luminous, and Luminous is basically a brand. They do all type of stuff. It's like a healthcare type of thing, and they can do hair removal, they do scar removal, tattoo removal, burn fat off your stomach, whatever you name it, beauty treatments galore. So I'm super excited to be doing a courtesy treatment from them today, and I get to choose what I want to do. So I think I'm gonna do the fat removal on my stomach just because I'm a skinny girl, but when I gain weight, it goes straight to my stomach, and then it just looks like I'm 2 months pregnant or something, and I just need to get rid of that. And they said that they can help me out with that, so that's what we're going to be doing today. And it's what they're doing is going on the road and this truck thing, and they're doing treatments on the road right now. But they do have facilities all over the country, actually all over the world. It's a worldwide thing, and they have some in Chicago too. So if I want to continue with these treatments, I can go ahead and book myself an appointment after this. So if I like the treatment, I can continue on with the treatments, but I'm excited to bring you guys along with me.
So let me just make sure. Oops. A little bit of crusting. We could do the newer type, which is radio frequency. It's wonderful for skin tightening. It's great for tummies. It's colorblind, so any skin type, you'll have no downtime. It's like a hot stone massage. You want to try that?
Yeah, so
I gotcha.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's a tightening. So that's a fun treatment to try, especially if you're not used to all of the things that we have. Why don't you try that? Okay. Okay. So we're going to put in the parameters. I need to put a couple grounding pads on your back.
Okay.
And then we'll do that. So we'll get you up. Good treat. I'm going to just do you mind if I draw on you?
Yeah, go
and
ahead.
We can, okay. So let me just get some gloves on.
No, my stomach is my main problem. I gain, I'm really small, but when I do gain weight, it goes straight to my
To
stomach.
your tummy,
Yeah.
water weight too?
Yeah.
Okay. So you'll like this.
I'm can I go to my booty or something? Why does it go to my stomach?
I think that's what everyone wishes. Why? So this just washes off, but I just want to get an idea of what we're treating. So you asked me if we went this in here, this area right here. So we're going to do, let me just go out a little bit. So we have a nice area to treat. What's that look to you? Just a little bit more out here. Okay, let's take some pictures. And then turn, quarter turn, right here. And you're standing right where you are. We're going to raise your hands up. Perfect. So she can get that whole area.
Okay guys, so what they're doing here is called the New Era Tight. And this is a high-powered deep heating RF wave. So basically what this does is that it will heat the skin, it induces collagen contractions and new collagen creation. So it's supposed to smooth the skin, get rid of any type of cellulite, as well as flatten the stomach area. So when she was doing it, it was starting to get really hot. So she basically was able to adjust the heating to something that I can tolerate. And when she went in the circular motions, that helped as well because it didn't feel as hot. So I could definitely feel like my stomach area tightening up a little bit. And I really, really loved the whole experience and the whole treatment. I was falling asleep because it was super, super relaxing. So I did a 30-minute treatment, and she was telling me that you're supposed to come back a couple of times, and that is when you will see the best results when you come back. So I want to share with you some before and after results of some other people who have done this treatment a few times, so you can get an idea of what your results would look like if you were to do this a few times. And this treatment can also be done on your face, your neck, your body, wherever you feel as if your problems areas are. All right, guys, so these are my results from doing it this one time, and I really, really feel as if my stomach felt a lot tighter. And I'm definitely going to continue on and do more treatments because I want an itty bitty waist, okay? All right, so I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Give me a huge thumbs up if you did. If you're not already subscribed, hit the subscribe button down below so you can be notified whenever I post a new video. You can follow me on any of my social media at Miriam J. Hampton, as well as at MH Hair Growth. And you can shop my hair growth products at miriamhampton.com, and I will see you guys next time.